Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Autoruns settings step by step. If Autoruns isn't behaving as expected or you've changed several options and want to return to the default configuration, resetting its settings is a quick and effective solution. So let's get started. First, close Autoruns completely if it's currently running. If needed, open Task Manager and make sure there are no Autoruns processes running in the background before continuing. Next, reopen Autoruns with administrator privileges. Wait for the application to finish scanning your system, then review any custom options you've enabled. Features like hide Microsoft entries, hide Windows entries, or verify code signatures can change how startup items are displayed. Now open the Options menu and turn off any settings you no longer want to use. Restoring these options to their default state will make Autoruns display startup entries the same way it did when you first launched the application. If you've created custom filters or changed the way entries are displayed, clear those settings as well. Then close Autoruns and launch it again to confirm the changes have taken effect. In some cases, downloading the latest version from the official Microsoft Sysinternals website and replacing the existing files can also resolve unexpected behavior. Finally, perform a fresh system scan and verify that all startup entries appear normally with the default settings restored, and that's it. You now know how to reset Autorun settings and return the application to a clean default configuration. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.